pretty crummy around here, yeah, I have to admit, but what I'm about to show you are the largest towers of their kind in the entire world. So I'm going to take the drone, put it through this building, and when I come out on the other side, you're going to see something. Well, in fact, you're going to see the largest of its kind in the world. Here we go. I had to put the drone down a little earlier, and I filmed the people on purpose because when I tried to get in my car, about 20 people surrounded me, and what do they want? They want money for beer. Some of the guys were holding black labels and they wanted some money. Right, I'm on my way now to Witbank. The old name, Witbank. Right, goodbye.